Hi, in front of me is RUGGEAR RG655 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store. Now type Magic Fluids and download this app from this developer. Open it. Click at the bottom right corner on the three lines over here, choose Settings and tap I accept. Over here you can customize your wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper at the top right corner over here and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!